Let's start on tab.
Open Scratch Junior and go to New Project.
Today, we will move the sprite by tapping on it. Go to the yellow category, the triggering blocks. We call them triggering blocks or starting blocks because we always start our program with them.
Start on tab. It means to start the script when you tap on the character.
If you are using a touchscreen device, you will tap with your finger. If you are using a desktop or a laptop that is not a touchscreen, you can use your mouse.
Let's now add some motion blocks.
Now, as you can see, the character will jump each time we tap on it.
Let's add more blocks now to our project. Have fun and scratch on.